This is probably one of the easiest ways to make hundreds of dollars a day without selling a product. So I will show you step by step. You know, we usually talked about the CPA Creep platform, and as you know, you can make money online by advertising different offers, and it's basically a CPA platform where you can find a bunch of different offers where people just have to give in their email address. They answer you and then you get paid. For example, $1 per email clicked, and it's one of the easiest ways to start making money online, and it doesn't really cost anything, but it pays very well for something that's so easy to do, like collecting emails. But as you know, one of the best feature of this platform is that you can create a content locker, and if we go to this section, you can create your content within this content locker, which after they click on your content after filling out survey, they can go to the original content which be accessible this way. To platform will pay you for every time your content is viewed. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. But what we want to do here is to find a viral video. We can't do this easily through YouTube. So we go to YouTube, and there are some channels where you can get viral videos, like Daily Dose of the Internet channels that post viral videos with millions of views. In this channel, we can go to the most popular videos, and you can see that some of them have tens of millions of views, and usually they have very interesting thumbnails where you really want to see what actually happened in that video. I mean, the only reason is that millions of videos people click on these images and thumbnails. So for example, a lot of people clicked on this video where monkey are running around the city because it's really interesting, like the ones where the monkey are actually running and see what happened, and 20 million people click on these thumbnails. So what you can do is copy the URL of that YouTube video. So just click on the link URL, then you can go to Google and download the thumbnail. These tools are available on Google for free, and you can easily download the thumbnail by putting the link of your video. Next step, enter the Canva platform, which is the free graphic design tool. You can just choose the desired size, 1080 and 1080. You can start from scratch. You can just go to the upload section and upload that thumbnail, so the video won't be too long. Already I have done all these things. Most importantly, you can go to the elements section, and you want to search for the play button, and you can just drag and drop one of the elements. So I'll use these elements, for example, which is a play button, and at the end I'll load these images into my computer. And now what we can do again, what we are going to do is copy the URL of that link and go back to the content shelf and just copy the URL of that video here. In order for someone to be able to access this video to watch it, they have to do a few different things, and so you can choose some of this template. For example, I choose this template and save it. Basically, what we're going to do is show different suggestion when they click on the video to watch it. This is a content locker, and you copy the link right here. If people want to watch this monkey video, they will click on my link, and when they click, they will first be shown some offers which include surveys, and after they complete, they can access the content. So we can make money using this method without us selling anything. What you can do is you can go to a platform like Imager.com, where millions of people visit, and you can create an account, and it looks like a website where people share these funny memes and picture, and they get millions of it. So what you can do is you click on new post and upload those images. So if anyone wants to watch this video, by the way, I'm going to copy the title style, because if this video get 20 million clicks, I could potentially get a lot of clicks here, and for them to watch this video, they just need to click on the link in the description so they can watch this video that's shown this thumbnail. You just have to click here, you put your link here. After you are done, you should almost share it in the form and click the post to people want to see link. You see they click on this link to watch this video of monkeys soaring and clicking over the city, and when they click on that link, it shows some ads or a survey, and they have to complete some promos to actually watch the video, and when they do, they will be redirected to the original YouTube URL. You can also do this on Pinterest to generate good traffic on your link.